Today on 41st Millennium Vox, the huge leak of Warhammer Horus Heresy 3rd edition that rocks the Imperium of Man yesterday. Is it actually a part of Games Workshop's master plan? We have the evidence.
Follow me, brothers!
I'm just here to ask the hard questions that the mainstream media are too afraid to ask. Let's look at the facts. Yesterday morning, the world woke to a bombshell leak. The new Horus Heresy box set, photographed front and back on the seat of what appears to be a delivery truck, showing the box contents, the artwork, the new miniatures, the whole shebang. Devastating news for the Nottingham games maker, or so they'd have you believe. But look at the paper trail. Before the leak happened, there was another announcement about the Dallas Open's reveal show being replaced with an epic games night. A coincidence? Perhaps. But doesn't that seem a little convenient? The images of the boxed game all appeared in an alleged Facebook Marketplace post offering the boxed game for $500 ahead of its official release. What a crazy leak. But Games Workshop themselves last week created a website called the Horus Hearsay, designed to look like a fan site, compiling the rumours and leaks from around the internet and dropping their own takes on them, as well as fake rumours where they'd dyed a sprue green in Photoshop. And then the site was really quick to react to these leaked images, including the images from the box. Now surely, if this was a real leak and Games Workshop did not want this information out there, they would be suppressing this at all costs and not reposting it themselves. And I have to admit, we here at 41st Millennium Vox were taken in at first too, just like all of the others on this platform who were reporting it. But look at the facts, don't just blindly follow the crowd like a good little servitor. Do your own research, this is what they want you to think. It might just be a coincidence as well that Games Workshop's legal firm started taking down a whole bunch of online stores in the past couple of days because of trademark infringements. And yes, they have every right to do that, but maybe they don't want your attention on it. Maybe they'd rather you were looking at these lovely pictures of a new box set which had just been rumoured up until this point. For the Emperor, I've been iCave Dave, and I will see you in the next one.
I have awoken.